we're going to continue providing you support. Like after this week is over, like this program is not over. Our goal is to continue working with you guys throughout the entire school year so that you and your students can be as successful as possible.
There you go, KB5 UFT, WA5 DJJ. Hello, Richard. Let's say hello to my group. Okay, thanks for being my guinea pig.